Messenger bot to take reservations through Messenger and website chat for X-Business/Niche. Hi, my name is Jamie, and today we are going to learn how to create reservations through the Messenger bot application. If you haven't yet, sign up for your free trial at messengerbot.app and discover how Messenger bot will change your Facebook page replies. It would be more amazing if your restaurant can share a digital form of your online restaurant reservation and give orders in advance. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this flow for your digital restaurant. Follow the step-by-step process and create your online reservation inside your FB Messenger. In your dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. In Messenger bot, select Bot Settings and click Actions. In Bot Settings, select User Input Flow and Custom Fields. Then, click the User Input Flow campaign. And in your Flow Campaign list menu, click New Flow to create your flow campaign for your restaurant reservation inside your FB Messenger. Provide your campaign name and choose your Facebook page. Then, select your free keyboard input, drag it and drop it in your User Input Flow start. The free keyboard input contains the following input like email, phone, text, number, URL, file, image, video, date, time, and multiple choice. Add or select your final reply template. And provide template information, like template name, select reply type, enable typing on display, provide the final message, and click Submit. Don't forget to submit your user input flow to save your flow. This is the sample user input flow. This is also the sample of the final reply template. Back to Messenger bot features, select Bot Settings and click Actions. In Bot Settings, select your Facebook page, and Get Started Settings. Then, click Change Settings. Set up your Get Started and Welcome message. Save your work every time you make changes in your settings. This is the Get Started to reply. Select your reply type. First, select eCommerce. Second, select your user input flow. You can also create a follow-up user input flow if your customer has any changes at the last minute of their reservation. This is how the flow works in your Facebook Messenger. With the Messenger bot eCommerce feature, you can create both an e-commerce store and restaurant food ordering system, with an option to create their reservation system. And this is one of the significant services or benefits of having this system, where the customers can book a time that is convenient for them. It also maximizes the overall sales of the restaurant because they can do it at any time, day or night. With the Messenger bot application, you can make it your own reservation system. Sign up now and follow this process.